In this video, we're going to address how you can upload a video into your funnel. Now, this is in response to Suzanna's question. She's been trying to upload a video into her funnel and does not know, she's getting errors. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So when you get to your funnel list, I've just opened the capture page. Your funnel is your capture page, okay? So here I've opened up to one of my funnels, and you have your thank you page and you've got your video page. Both pages have videos in it. So to upload a video in here, you go edit. You scroll down. You see this box here that has the orange. This is where you want to edit, okay? You want to go to the wheel, click on, and here you've got the direct link here. This link is what is hosting this video. Now, personally, what I would do, or what I have done, is that I have a link from YouTube. I've uploaded the video on YouTube and then taken the YouTube link and pasted here. So I'm going to also post that link in this video in case you want to use my link and save yourself the stress, okay? So I prefer to do that, host the video somewhere else and then take the link and put it into the website, because that way it just stops the website from being heavy. When you upload the video directly on the website, you make it really heavy. You can see that Michelle has done the same thing. She's hosted this video somewhere else and then just put the link in here and then it shows. So I'm just going to take this out and just see what happens. I'm going to take this link out, okay? You can see it goes blank. Yeah? Oops. It goes blank. So, and then you choose here, upload file. If you want to upload file. If you want to upload file, you click and to open up to your computer and then you upload. But we're not uploading, okay? If you want to upload, that's what you do. Personally, I don't upload, I use the link. So I will do link. You can also do custom embed, which means that you have to get a code and then you put that code into this system here. And let me click it. And then the video will appear when you put the code. But I like to go with direct link. So on my YouTube video, so my YouTube video on the training video playlist, okay, I have I titled it video page. Hold on. It's still spinning around. So I called it video page. Where is it? So legacy builder program thank you page. This is for the thank you page. And I'm looking for the legacy builder video page. Legacy builder video page. That's this one. Okay. Legacy builder video page. So what I will do here is I will copy the link, this link. Okay. And go back to my funnel. So here in my funnel, I will paste the link here where it says direct link, and you can see that the video appears. This is, for me, is the easiest way to go about it. So I'm going to add the link under this video for you if you want to use my link, or you can just upload it to your YouTube, make it unlisted when you upload it, and I'll show you what I mean. So unlisted, you can see here it says unlisted, which means that it's only someone who has the link that can use it. It's not public. So when you upload your video, you're going to have the option to choose public or to make it unlisted or to make it private. Don't make it private, because private means you can't use it on the website. Make it unlisted, okay? So going back to your funnel, your link is here. You've got to save. You go to the top right button where it says save changes. You click save and your video is there. Also remember, I know this is about video, but also remember to change the link here to your funnel sales page link. And the way you do it, you click here, you go to the orange wheel, and then you add the link where it says type a URL. You add your sales page link here. So when somebody lands on this video and they watch it and they're interested in making a purchase, they go right down here, they click and they go to your sales page where all the information is about your business, and then they make a purchase. Okay, I hope this video has helped, and do ask your question if you have any other question under this video, and I will be happy to respond, do a video reply. Okay, see you on the next video.